Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to know your GCash reference number. So in order to find or locate your GCash number, you just have to follow the steps. Now, first of all, let's understand what is actually a reference number. Now, a reference number is a unique identification number that is assigned to each transactions made with the GCash, and it is used to track and verify the transaction, ensuring that it is legitimate and that the funds has been transmitted correctly. In order to locate the GCash number, first of all, you have to log in into your GCash account. When you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page. So from the home page, tap on the history tab, and over there you can find the transaction for which you need the reference number. Next, if you locate the particular transaction, then click on the transaction to view the details. As soon as you press on it, you'll be able to see the reference number on your main page. So that's basically how you can find and know your GCash number. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.